Bring it back.
Hello, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Natasha.
And my name is Alex. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
For our class of 2028, we hope you had a great first 3 weeks and prepared for some of the most amazing moments you experienced here at Heritage.
Also, we want to give a warm welcome back to our class of 2025. It will be bittersweet for many to see that these set of seniors are leaving soon. So a message for our seniors: make this year count.
Speaking of seniors, we have some breaking news for our class of 2028 would love to know.
Seniors wishing to paint their parking spot can do so on Saturday, September 14th, which will begin at 8 a.m. The cost is $20.
Students must also have a valid parking spot for this school year. See Ms. Underwood if you have any questions.
Anybody still in need of senior portraits? Dean Stewart Photography is still accepting students for senior portrait sessions. There's a minimum of $25 refundable deposit for this session.
Please sign up ASAP to have your senior picture included in this yearbook. To sign up, visit the link above.
Now, here's some breaking news that Miss Rock would like all students to know.
Are you interested in the dramatics, musicals, and theater? Well, the Drama Club wants you to join.
The Drama Club meets every Monday in the choir room and this room. If you are interested, visit from 3:45 until 5 p.m.
Also, is anyone interested in joining SGA? The Student Government Association plans events like Homecoming and Fall Festival. If you're interested, the SGA meets every Friday in the chorus room, which is room from 2:30 until 3:30, beginning today.
Elections are also coming up for class officers for each grade level. Students interested in running for office need to be a member of the Student Government Association to run.
Does anyone like fishing? Well, there's a new fishing club here at Heritage.
Meetings will begin Friday, September 20th after school in this room. See Coach Benson in the gym or Coach Baker in this room.
Now, WPNN would love to introduce this week's special guest. Enjoy!
Welcome to Heritage. I'm Adriel. I'm one of the school's TV production members. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
My name is Chantal Hanna. I'm the new school social worker here at Heritage High School. I have graduated from Florida Tech with my bachelor's in science and communication. I obtained my master's in social work at Fordham University. I have been working in social work nearly 4 years now, and I'm looking forward to being here at Heritage High School.
What sort of things do you hope to accomplish here at Heritage?
Number one, getting familiar with you all, engaging with the students. I really value building relationships with the students to get to know more so what your needs are, more so what you're doing, not just in the classrooms and excelling there or with challenges, but what activities and interests that you're involved in and what you value, because that allows me to better serve you. I have been learning, and I'm very interested in continuing to learn more about the activity programs. I understand that you have the automotive program here, the production team, you all, and there should be an HVAC electrician program. I think that's starting next year. So one little tidbit, and I don't know if this is something I should say or shouldn't say. However, I honestly believe that college is a great way to succeed in entering into the workforce, but there's other options like vocational trades and certificates. The programs that Heritage have with those resources are a great way to explore that, to explore your options before graduating.
Hi, I'm Kaylee, and I'll be continuing the other half of this interview. What are some skills that make you an effective social worker?
Communication, organizational skills, and time management. Social workers are pulled in various different roles, a lot of times planned and unplanned. So it's very good to be able to think on your feet, to know how to manage your time, and to obviously use all the resources, including your fellow staffs and the students that can help you get the job done.
And what is your favorite part of this profession?
my favorite part that makes everything worthwhile is seeing you all succeed. If I just had a part in your journey, whether it's helping you better learn how to concentrate in class or helping you learn a time management schedule to manage as an athlete and as a student, to see you go off and succeed, and whether you go in the military, college, trade, travel, backpacking in Italy somewhere, that's what I'm here for.
Do you feel like your serving in the military has helped you with your career?
Absolutely. So, in short, the military helped me, it educated and trained me to learn skills that allowed me to continue to work in the workforce. And that was more in the business administrative background. But it also paid for my education, gave me an opportunity to serve, of course, and allowed me to travel, which gave me more of a perspective outside of myself. So I'm very grateful for my experience in the United States Air Force.
Well, that concludes it. Thank you so much, Ms. Hannah. And we look forward to your continued help at this school.
Welcome to Heritage.
Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Link. My name is Kaylee, and I'm one of the members of the school's TV production crew. And can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. My name is Mr. Link. I was born and raised right here in Palm Bay. I actually went to Christa McAuliffe and Southwest, went to MCC for high school, went to University of Florida for my college. I'm the proud dad of 4 amazing boys, and I have an amazing wife, Brooke, at home that takes care of them when I'm working way too much with you guys. And I'm a huge Gator fan and just love sports and love just being here.
Can you tell us why you became interested in becoming a principal?
At Heritage, so the reason I want to be the principal at Heritage is kind of my dream job. I was very lucky to open this school when it first started back in 2009. I was a teacher and I was the head boys basketball coach for the first 10 years that this school was open. So when I went into administration, this was always my dream to come back here and be principal. So when I got that opportunity about 2 years ago, I was so excited to take it, and I plan to be here for quite a while.
And in one word, how would you describe your vision for the school?
The vision for my school is it's gonna be 2 words. Can I do 2 words?
Yeah, that's fine.
It's school pride or passion. If I had to do one word, it'd be passion. Like I want our school, I want our students, I want our staff to be passionate and proud of the school they're a part of, and I feel like we're moving in that direction now. That I know our students and our staff, when they're out in the community, I hear so many positive things about what's going on here, and that makes me very proud.
My name is Riley Dean, and I'm going to handle the rest of this interview today.
All right.
In what ways do you support our teachers here at Heritage?
Kind of what I mentioned already. So I try to support our teachers by truly having an open door policy with them. You know, last year I met with every single teacher one-on-one to hear what they liked, what they didn't like, little nuances of the world that maybe I don't see from being in the administration side. So listening to their concerns and trying to take them with with sincerely listen to them, make changes where I can. But also trying to find classes and schedules and things that really fit their likes and things they want to teach and that they're passionate about. So that's one way I try to support them. But also I'm going to add with student discipline, right? I know every student at Heritage acts right all the time, but I think what my teachers have grown to enjoy about our school is that we have their back. If students aren't acting right in class, we're going to have their back and support them in handling those students. But I know our students would never be a problem at Heritage.
At the end of your career, what do you think students will
Say about you as a leader.
I hope they'll say that I truly helped them, grow as students and people, and that I was somebody that created an environment in a school that was fun to be a part of, but also prepared them for success in post-secondary life, because those are the 2 things I try to balance at all times, is making sure that our students have a great time in high school and create memories, but also get out of high school ready to succeed. So I'm hoping that's what our students will say, that Mr. Link killed it. He was awesome, his best principal ever, but we learned a lot and we went on and did great things. And that's one of the things I'm most proud of, is watching the alumni now that are starting to enter their 30s. 31-year-olds are like our first graduating class. Seeing them now have families, seeing them have successful careers, seeing all the great stuff they're doing is something that's just incredible to see. So I'm hoping that will be something our students remember.
So,
Oh, great.
this question specifically comes from Miss Dean.
Okay.
Mr. Link, who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher of all time was Miss Lees, my second grade teacher, whose now name is Miss Dean, and she's our media specialist here at Heritage High School. She was also the first teacher I started getting in trouble with a lot when I was in school. Like first grade, I got in a little bit of trouble. But second grade, I pretty much had my name on the board with 2 checks every single day for talking. But it was one of those fun years where I grew, and she was amazing. I have a lot of favorite teachers, but she was definitely one of my favorites.
All right. Well, do you have anything you wish to say to the students watching?
It's truly an honor to be the principal of Heritage. I'm not lying when I say this is a dream job. Being here and creating this environment and sharing these 4 years with the students is something that I just thoroughly love and enjoy. And if you ever need anything or have questions or want to just come up and introduce yourself, please do so, because it's awesome to be here, and I want to get to know each and every one of you. So come up and say hi, introduce yourself, and I'm looking forward to a great year.
Okay. Well, there you have it, Mr. Link. Thank you for letting us interview you today. And go Big Blue!
Join us next week for more breaking news, special guests, and Panther Pride.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!